Hi, this is Win-Win Waterjet. Recently, we have received a lot of questions from our customers about the Waterjet cutting machine. Today, I will show you all the parameters of the cutting table, cutting head, control system, water tank, intensifier pump, Waterjet chiller, water filtration system, automatic abrasive removal system. First is about our cutting table. The effective cutting stroke is 4 meters by 2 meters by 200 millimeters, and the speed is 12 meters per minute. The cutting accuracy is 0.1 millimeter. The repeatability is 0.01 millimeter. The cutting table adopts water tank stainless steel material, and also you will find that this is the same stainless steel material. Axis uses bent, weld, and annealed stainless steel, and the y-axis use the bent, weld, annealed material. Other steels use sandblasted and also then coated with 2-layer anti-rust primer. The machine color can be customized. This customer choose orange, that customer choose blue, this customer choose green, and this is gonna be shipped to him. The block-like support provides more connection points and provide a more longer service life of the machine. Using oil immersion structure, the ball screw and the linear guide are fully immersed in the lubricating oil when operation, and they remain clean prolong the service life. Adopts thicker ball screw and larger guide rail. Eliminates the function during the operation, even at high speed. This is a Wei-Hong servo motor with Wei-Hong control system, Wei-Hong drivers, and Wei-Hong wireless provide better compatibility. A stainless steel protective cover can prolong the service life of ball screw and linear guide. Z-axis adopts double guide rail and ball screw using a high-quality drag chain, high temperature resistance, cold resistance, and corrosion resistance. This is a spherical point design, and you can see even the cutting head angle change anywhere. The cutting point still remain at the single point. The C-axis can reach 360 degrees. The A-axis swing is plus and minus 75 degrees. The cutting head is made of hard aluminum alloy, which is more lightweight and can reduce the wear of ball screw and linear guide. This is a laser detector. Can remain the nozzle of cutting head and the workpiece remain the same height, ensuring the cutting accuracy and flatness. Wei-Hong system is easy for operate. Even if you don't have any experience, you can be proficient within 1 day. And it can support the file formats of G-code, DHXF, ENG, and PLT. You can see it attached with a dynamic graphic model. You can monitoring the cutting process on your computer. This is what we produce with this cutting machine. The bear likes to eat fish. It uses an absolute encoder system to keep the memory of previous cutting. Even if your engineer operating error, it can remain the cutting at the same point. And also we equipped with a wireless handle, especially used for my customer. He bought a 3 meters by 10 meters Waterjet cutting machine. He likes this very much. Then I will show you the machine parameters of our intensifier pump. The max pressure is 420 MPa. The max flow rate is 3.8 liters per minute. And the rated power is 50 horsepower. We use standard intensifier pump, which is the same with international standard, interchangeable with standardized parts number. Equipped with independent cooling system, occurs when the motors start operation. And also the exchanger can remain the oil temperature within a normal range. equipped with an automatic constant variable pump with a flow rate of 119 liters per minute, provide sufficient power support. We set high pressure and low pressure setting valve, which can eliminate the fluctuation and make the machine more stable. It uses 1.4 large capacity accumulator, integral forging, and there is no rubber seal, maintenance free. High performance hydraulic directional valve, low noise and better performance. The Star Delta startup system reduces shocks and protects the motors and electrical circuits, save on the electricity costs. Home room PLC can be operated in the Waterjet cutting system. Equipped with pressure switches, emergency stop button, oil pump power on and power off, high pressure power on and power off, easy to operate. Equipped with water pressure gauge and oil pressure gauge for continuous monitoring the machine operations. National standard oil pipes is made of 4 layers of wireless and withdraw a pressure of 38 MPa. Standard high pressure fittings. Each part has corresponding part number. This is oil filter, can better filter the oil, and then we can see the oil level. If the level is too low, there will be alarm. And this is oil temperature sensor. If the temperature is too high, this is also will have alarm. Currently, the oil temperature is 80 degrees, and this is the advantage of our chiller. Equipped with two-stage water filtration system to make sure the water is clean. And also we equipped with an inlet water sensor. If the water inlet pressure is too low, the machine will shut down and sound asleep. Before the Waterjet parts wear out or fail, you will find the detection for the detection hole will have the water outflow so that you can observe in time and reduce the loss. There is no power connection and no electrical points on the abrasive tank. It will easy for operation and also maintenance free, trouble free. The abrasive tank is made of a 5mm steel plate, which can better bear the air pressure. This is a safety valve, and if the air pressure is too high, it will automatically release and make sure for your safety. You can add 200 kilograms abrasive into the tank and for machine continuously working for 10 to 12 hours, enough for your one-day use. There is a large port at the bottom of the abrasive tank. If my good ring put on this, and I can take out from here. This cooler is specially designed for our Waterjet cutting machine, which is different from the market. This cooler is especially designed for our Waterjet cutting machine, which is different from other coolers in the market. The power consumption is 14 kilowatt, and also the cooling capacity is 12,500 cal per hour. This cooler effectively reduces oil temperature of high pressure pipe and also the cutting head. This significantly extends the service life of the high pressure seals, minimizes damage caused by thermal expansion and contraction. The chiller is automatic on and off, connected with intensifier pump and the cutting table. It has a softened water filter and can effectively filter the particle, rust, and bacteria. This water filtration system has 5 filtration processes and can meet the standard of drinking water. It has a softened water processor, which can effectively filter the bacteria and the particle rust in the water. We use 5 filtration processes such as PP cotton, resin, and quartz sand, and etc. After you have used Waterjet cutting machine for a long time, the Waterjet abrasive will sink in the water tank. And at this time, you have to stop all your cutting work and clean manually. But with this automatic abrasive removal system, we can clean automatically and also without stop your working. Our engineers softly designed a sealed drawer which can save your Personal belongings, also some important documents such as a certificate of quality. This is for our machine quality inspection. Thank you for your trust for Win-Win. And now I have prepared the 3 Waterjet cutting machine, which is gonna be shipped to my customers.